Okay, so now we're looking at a example, and it's got a fraction in it. So how do we do that? Well, we go with the normal storytelling. So if we tell the story, we say, well, 2a take -3 is divided by 7. The last part of the story is where we start. So we start off at the divided by 7, and then when we finish that, we'll sort out the -3, and then we'll sort out the 2a. Okay, so that's the order that you do it in. So first of all, we say, okay, what do we do to get rid of divided by 7? Well, what we do is the opposite, which is times by 7. So we go times by 7 and times by 7. So that will get rid of that. So now we will have 2a take 3 equals -3 times 7. And -3 times 7 will get us -21. Because a negative and a positive, 3 times 7 is 21. And then we've got 2a take 3. Okay, what did we say we were going to do next? We said we were going to work on the -3 because that's the next part in the story. So if we take -3, we have to add 3, which gets rid of that, and then we have to add 3. So in our next line, we've got 2a. -21 plus 3 will give us, what's it, 21, 20, 19, 18. That's right. It will give us -18. Now we want to get rid of this 2 next to the a, so we divide it by 2, divided by 2, and we have to divide him by 2. Let's move these up. Please move these up for me, thank you. And so those two cross each other out, so we're left with a. 2 goes into -18, -9 times. So our answer is -9. So it's all about the story. How does the story go? We start at the end of the story and we work towards the beginning. Do one more example for you. Okay, let's go in blue. So this one is 6 take 4k divided by 5 is equal to -2. Okay, so the story is 6 take 4k divided by 5. So we're going to start with the divided by 5. How do we get rid of it? We times it by 5. Times it by 5. So in our next line we have 6 take 4k, we've got rid of our 5, is equal to, well, -2, and times 5 will give us -10. Okay, next part of our story was the take 4k. So let's bring, no, we don't want to take the take 4k. We want to leave the take 4k there because we want that on that side. So we're actually going to look at our 6, and the 6 is positive, so now it becomes take 6. Take 6, so that's take 6. So that's your 4k. -10 take 6 will give us -16. We want to get rid of our 4, so we divide it by 4, and we divide that by 4. Let's pull these up, please. Thank you. So that 4 crosses out, so we're left with k, and 4 goes into -16, -4 times. And that, my darlings, is the answer. So that's how you do it when there's a fraction. Go ahead and give it a try.